Question number 1. The place value of 8 in the number 85 and 324,000 is what? He asked about the place value of digit 8. 8 here lies in teens. Okay, then we must write here teens about question number 1. Question number 2. Okay, number 2. Choose here letter B. Okay, question number 2. The value of 7 in the number 254 and 375,000 is what? 7 here lies in hundredths. Number 3. The number of thousands in 0.23 is base thousands. It's meaning what? What is the number divided by 1000? It will be 0.23. We can write here 230 divided by 1000, it will be 23,000. Then the result here about question number 3, we must write 230. Okay, this is the result because 230 divided by 1000, it will be 2300. Question number 4, 1332 divided by 12 equal 102 and the remainder space. We want to find the remainder here by using multiplication between two numbers and the result subtract from the dividend. Okay, we will find 120 here. It was 102 times 12. 12 times 102. Okay, we can find the result between them and the result subtract from 332. Okay, again this example we want to find the remainder. To find the remainder, first step multiplication between 12 and 102 and the result subtract from the number here, we call this the dividend. Then the multiplication between 102 and 12, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 0 equals 0, 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 0, 1 times 2 equals 2, 1 times 0 equals 0, 1 times 1 it will be 1, and then add them, 4 plus 0 it will be 4, 0 plus 2 equals 2, 2 plus 0 equals 2, and then write 1. Then the difference between 1332 and this number will be what? 2 minus 4 for 1, 12 minus 4 it will be 8. Then the result here will be 8. It's a remainder. We must write 8. Question number 5. The only even prime number is 2. 2 is the only even prime numbers. Okay. Question number 5, write 2. Question number 6. The smallest odd prime number it will be 3. 3 is the smallest odd prime number. Next question, number 7. H plus 5.2 equal 9.1. Then H here we can find the difference between 9.1 and 5.2. Then H will be, when my 1 minus 2 we can do it by 1, it will be 8 and here 11. 11 minus 2 it will be 9. 8 minus 5 it will be 3. 3.9. Question 8 426.54 subtract by D, because here's the difference between them 123 and 5 tenths in D here. The difference between two numbers 426 and 5400 is subtract by 123 and half. Then with 0 here, 4 minus 0 it will be 4, 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 3 it will be 3, 2 minus 2 it will be 0, 4 minus 1 it will be 3. The result will be 303 and 4 tenths. Question 9. 500 gram equal space kilogram. To convert from gram to kilogram divided by 1000. Then the result will be cancel double 0 by double 0. 5 divided by 10 it will be 0.5 kilogram. It's a half kilogram. Okay, next question number 10. 8.5 liter equal space milliliter. To convert from liter to milliliter, multiplication by 1000, because 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. Okay, then 8.5 times by 1000, move the point right hand side by 3 places. It will be 8, 5 and double 0. The result will be 8500. Question 11. Question 11. 6.4 liters subtract by 1200 milliliter equal space milliliter. Okay, we can find the difference between them by convert from liter to milliliter, multiplication by 1000 here. 6.4 times 1000 subtract by 1200. To find the result here, multiplication by 1000, move the point right hand side by 3 places, right? 6, 4 and double 0. Okay, subtract by 1200. We can write double 0 and 6 here. 4 minus 2 equal 2, 6 minus 1 equal 5. It will be 5200 milliliter. Okay, then about question 11, you must choose letter A. Question 12, we have here space times 0.01 equal 4.112. We can find this number by divided 4.112 and 0.01. Here we can find the result by divided its meaning multiplication by 100. Okay, divided by 100 is divide its meaning multiplication by 100. Move the point to right hand side by 2 places, it will be 412. Okay, it's the result here. Question 13. 42.96 divided by 1/10. Its meaning multiplication by 10. 42.96. We must move the point to right hand side. It will be 429.6. Question 14. 5.7 times 1000. You must move the point right hand side by 3 places. 6, 5, 7 and then double 0. Question 15. 13 and 1300th divided by 1300th. We can write 13 and 1300th divided by 1300th by multiplication by 100 numerator and denominator. You must convert the denominator here to whole numbers. Then write 13 in denominator here and up here 13 and write 13 by it 1313 divided 13. 13 divided 13 1. 1 divided by 13 equals 0. 13 divided by 13 equals 1. The result will be 101. Question 16. Here 0.6 times by 0.4. It will be what? 4 times 6. It will be 24 and the point after 2 places. Question 17. 30 days equal space weeks and space days. 30 divided by 7 because 1 week equals 7 days. 30 divided by 7. We can write 30 over 7, convert from improper to whole numbers here and the fraction, right, in mixed number. 7 times 4 equal 28 and the remainder 2. Then we will have 4 weeks and the remainder 2 days. Okay, then 4 weeks and 2 days. Question 18. Space has the third number of the pattern. Start with 5. Its rule here n minus 2 times 3. You won't find here the third number. Start with 5. Okay, put 5 here. 5 minus 2, it will be 3. 3 times 3, it will be 9. Okay, start here by using 5. Put 5 here. This number. Okay, but he won't find here this example what? He won't find the third number of pattern which start with 5 and its rule n minus 2 times 3. Put in here, it's the first number. Put in next number 6. In here 6. 6 minus 2 times 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 times 3 equal 12. And then put in here equal 5. 5 minus 2. 3 times 3, 9. 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. Put 7 minus 2, 5. 3 times 5 equal 15. The third number of pattern which start with 5 and its rule n minus 2 times 3. It will be what here? we can find the result. 5 here, 5 minus 2, 3, 3 times 3, 9. Put 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12. 7 minus 2, 5, 5 times 3 equal 15. This is the result 50. Next question, 19. The second step here, 5.6 times 2, subtract by 0.75 plus 6.2. The first here will be multiplication. The first operation here it will be multiplication. He wants to find what the second step again. Question 19. The second step here. Second step here it will be what? First here 2 times 6 equal 12. 2 and the carry of 1. 2 times 5 equal 10 plus 1 equal 11. Subtract 0.75 plus 0.2. It's the second step. The second step here 11.2 subtract 7.5. Choose the letter C. Question 19. Okay, letter C. Next question 20. In 4, 5.5, 7, 8.5, 10. The rule here n plus what? He ate 1.5. It's the rule n plus 1.5. It's the rule about this question. And then question 21. 45 subtract by 2.1 times 4.1 plus 32. We can find it by first step multiplication. Two numbers here. 2.1 times 41 right here. 21 times 41. 1 times 1 equal 1. 1 times 2 equal 2. Write 0. 4 times 1 it will be 4. 2 times 4 equal 8. And then eat them. 1 plus 0 equal 1. 2 plus 4 6. And then write 8 here. Then 45 subtract 8, 6 and 1. And the point after 1 place and 1 place, 2 places. Plus here 3.2. It's 32. Okay, it's 32. Then the next step here is the difference between two numbers. We must put point and double 0. Subtract by this number 0 minus 1. We can't do it. 1 from 5 would be 4, and this number will be 9. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 6 equals 3. And 4 minus 8 we can't do it. 14 minus 8 equals 6, and write 3 plus 32. We can write 39 here, and 6 plus 2 equal 8. 3 plus 3 equals 6. The result here, it will be what? 68 and 3900. 68. Okay, choose letter A. Choose letter A about this question 21. Next question. Question 22. Space is the expression here. Where expression? Expression, its meaning contains of numerical factor and algebraic factor. Choose letter P. Question 22. You asked about an expression. Choose letter B here. We call that expression. Question 23. We have 5 plus m minus 3.2. We called it the expression. Its expression contains a lot of terms. Choose letter P. Called it expression. Question 24. Any number dividing by 0 equal undefined. Choose letter D. Any number divided by 0 undefined. Okay. Question 28. 25. The benchmarks of 0. We have 0.8 and 5. It's nearest to, we have here 1 and here 0.5. It's nearest to 1. Okay, the benchmarks of this number nearest to 1. Benchmarks here refers to 0 or 0.5 or 1. This number nearest to 1. Okay, here. Then the result will be 1. Question 26. The number whose factors 2, 2, 3, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3 equal 12. Question 27. Add the number 6 to multiplicative identity. The result will be what? 86 here. To multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity, it will be what? The multiplicative identity about this example, it will be 1 over 6. Okay, he won't find 86 to multiplicative identity. 6 here, multiplicative identity. We must change this word, okay? Because we have here add to multiplicative identity. What multiplicative identity? It will be 1. 1, we called it multiplicative identity. 6 plus 1 equals 7. But 0 is additive identity. Additive identity 0, but multiplicative identity will be right here 1, okay? Question 28. Subtract question number what? 28. Subtract the multiplicative identity from 6.3. 6.3 subtract by multiplicative identity, it will be 1. 6.3 subtract by 1. 1, but here we called what? 1 is the multiplicative identity. We want subtract 1 multiplicative identity from what? From 6.3. The difference between them, it will be 5.3. Question 29. 5.6 plus m equal 10.4, then m will be the difference between 10.4 and 5.6. 4 minus 6, we can't do it. Borrow 1 from 10, it will be 9, and 4, 14. 14 minus 6 equal 8, and 9 minus 5, it will be 4. Then the result will be 4.8. Question 30. K subtract by 3.21 equal 5. Then K equals sum between two numbers. 3.21 is this number. It will be 8.21. It's the value of K. Next question. 31. 450 divided by 10. Cancel 0 by 0. The result will be 45. Question 32. 1,000 divided by 100, it will be 10. Cancel double 0 by double 0. 10 divided by 1 will 10. Question 33. Any number dividing by 1, it will be itself. Question 34. Any number dividing by itself, it will be 1. 35. 654 divided by 1, it will be itself. 36. 0 divided by this number, it will be 0. Any number divided by 0 undefined. Question 37. Choose letter D, undefined. Okay, this undefined. 38. The place value of the digit 7 is the number. 7 here lies in hundredths. Okay, write hundredth. Okay, 100. Next question. 39. Question 39 here. Any number multiplying by 1 equal itself. Choose letter C. Question 40. 10 equal double of 5. Okay, it will be double of 5. Double, it's meaning 2. 2 times what? 2 times 5. 41. 100 equal half of 200. Half of 200, it will be 100. Question 42. 60 is twice 30. Question 43. There are space milliliter in 2.02 liters multiplication by 1000. 2.02 times 1000. We must move the point right hand side by 3 places. Write 202 and write 0 here. Question 44. There are space meters in this number. We can find by multiplication by 1000. Okay, right, 57357. Question 45. 4,000th times 3. 4,000th. 4 over 1000 times 3. We'll write 0.004. times 3. 3 times 4, it will be 12, and the point after 3 places. 4,000th times 3, the result will be 0.01 and 2. Question 46. 6 plus c equal 2.1 called equation. We call it equation. Equation contains of two expressions and write equal to between them. Then question 46, it will be equation, choose letter A. Question 47, any number multiplied by 0, it will be 0. Okay. Question 48, the value of the digit 4 in the number, it will be 0.004. Question 49, the value of the variable x is the equation, x plus 3.5 equal 8. We can find the value x by the difference between two numbers. Subtract between them. It will be 10, and here 7. 10 minus 5, it will be 5, and 7 minus 3, it will be 4. It will be 4.5. Question 50. All the following numbers are prime numbers except what? Except here 9, because 9 can divide it by itself, and 1 and 3. We have 3 factors of 9. Okay. Question 51. The number is based on the common multiple of all number. It will be 0, 0, because 0 can divide it by any number without itself. Question 52. 18.58 equal space round to the nearest whole number. Here it will be 19, because 5 can give 1 to 8, it will be 9. Question 53. 20 plus 0.07 plus 0.008, right? 20 and 7 hundredths and 8 thousandths. Okay. Next question. Number 54. We have 4 times 85 plus 2 times 85. We can add 4 plus 2 equals 6, multiplication by 85. We use the here distributive properties. Question 55, 5 in ones, 47 thousandths. 47 thousandths. Question 56, the number space is one of multiple of 6. 6 can divide it by what in the result here? 6 can divide it, or which number can divide it by 6? It will be 24. Then the number 24 is one of multiple of 6, because 24 can divide it by 6. Okay, next question. Next question here. 58, the number space is a common factor of all number. Common factor, it will be 1. Question 57. 57 is the prime factor of 12, 2 times 2 times 3, 2 and 2 and 3. Question 52, 57 and 58 here. The number space is the common factor of all number, it will be 1. Question 59, the value of the variable x in the equation. X minus 2.5 equal 4, then x equal 4 plus 2.5, it will be 6.5. Question 60, the composite number is the following number, it will be what? Composite, it will be where, which number not prime? 15, because 15 can divide it by itself, and 1 and 3 and 5. Question 61, the smallest two-digit prime number, it will be 11. 11 is the smallest prime number. 62, the smallest two different digit prime number, it will be 13. The smallest two different digit prime number is 13. 63, the greatest common factor of 3 and 7, zero product. To find the least common multiplication between them, it will be 21. but the greatest common factor between them, it will be 1. Next question. Complete. Question number 1. 0.008 kilometer equal space meter. To convert from kilometer to meter, multiplication by 1000. Move the point right hand side by 3 places. It will be 8. Okay, write 8 here. Question number 2. 38 here, we use distributive properties. Right, 38 product by 52. Right, 30 times 50 and 30 times 2 and 8 times 50. 8 times 2 using distributive properties here. Question 3. Space divided by 0.01 equals 0.4. We can find the dividend here by multiplication, the divisor and the quotient. 0.01 times by 0. We have here point, okay, 0.4. Multiplication by 2 numbers here, you must move the point to left hand side by 2 places. It will be 4 and write 00 here. It will be 400th. Okay, 4,000th, 4,000th. Right here in the space. That was question 3. Question number 4. $63 100th times 5. Right, 63 100th times 5. 3 times 5, 15. 5 and carry up 1. 5 times 6 equals 30. 30 plus 1, 31. Write 1 and carry up 3. 0 times 5 equal 5. 5 plus 3 equal 3. The result will be 315. Okay, 315,000. Question number 5. The couplable table of all number, it will be 0. Question 6. We have 654 times by 100. It will be 654 and 00. Question 7. The prime factor of 14 are 2 and 7. Prime factors of 14, 2 and 7. Quotient times divisor plus remainder equal dividend. Equal dividend. The dividend equal quotient times divisor plus remainder. Question number 9. 2.6 plus 6.3 times 2 subtract by 3.2. Write 2.6 plus 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 6 equals 12 plus here and subtract 3.2. 6 plus 6, 12. 2 and the carry of 1. 3 plus 2 to be 5. Write 1. Subtract by 3.2. It will be here 12. The difference between them, it will be 12. Okay. That was question 9. Question number 10. You want to divide it 2 numbers here. 11.11 divided by 11. It will be here 11 divided by 11, 1. And then 1 divided 11, it will be 0. And 11 divided by 11, 1. And the point after 2 places. Question 11. The factors of 18 are 18 and 1. 2 times 9 equal 18 and 3 times 6 equal 18. The remainder must be less than space here. We have the remainder must be less than the quotient, okay, and the divisor, okay. The remainder must be less than divisor. Question 13. 11 has 2 factors because 11 we called it even numbers. Any even number can divide it by itself and 1 only. You have 2 factors about any prime factor. Next question, number 14. The product of 13 and half and 2.2 equal what? We have here the point will be after one place here divided by 10. 135 times 22. We have here 100 and 135 times 22. 2 times 5 equal 10. 0 at the carry of 1. 2 times 3 6 plus 1 7. 2 times 1 equal 2. 2 times 5 equal 10. 0 at the carry of 1. 2 times 3 6 plus 1 7. 2 times 1 equal 2. And the result here 2970. Cancel 0 with 0. 29.7. It's the result about this question number 14. Question number 15. The multiplicative identity, it will be what? It will be 1. But additive identity 0. Question 16. 1000 gram equal space kilogram by divided by 1000, it will be 1 kilogram. Question 17. The place value of 4 is the number here. 4 lies in thousandth. Lies in thousandth here. 4. Okay. 18. Space are factors of 25. Factors of 25. 1 and 25 and 5. 5 times 5 equal 25. Question 19. The smallest prime number is 2. Question 20. 6.2 subtract by m equals 3. Then m here equals the difference between them. 6.2 subtract by 3, then m will be 3.2. Okay, the result here 3.2. Question 21. 0.4 times 0.3. 3 times 4 equal 12, and the point after 2 places. Question 22. 3.7 plus 1.5 and 4. We must put 0 here. 4 plus 0 equal 4. 5 plus 7, 12. 2 and the carry of 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3 equal 5. The result will be 5 and 24 hundredths. Next question. 23. 2.321 times 100th, its meaning divided by 1000. It's equivalent to this. You must move the point left hand side by 3 places. Write 2, 3, 2, 1 and write double 0 and point 0. Okay, multiplication by this number, its meaning divided by 1000. You must move the point to left hand side by the places here. Okay, question 23, understood? Multiplication by this number, we must move the point to left hand side by 3 places because its meaning here divided by 1000. But multiplication by 1000, you must move the point to right hand side by 3 places. Understood? Question 24. 1.6 divided by 2 equal space here this number 24. We can find division. 21 divided by 2, it will be what? We have here equal space 10.8. Okay, again 2 divided by 2 equal 1. It's solving. Okay, this exam is the result. Okay, 1 divided by 2 equals 0 with the point. 16 divided by 2 equal 8. 25. 4 times 43 equal 4 product by 3 and 4 by 40. Question 26. The value of the digit 4 in the number 4 here lies in thousandth. Then the value of the digit 4 here, it will be 0.004 because 4 lies in thousandth. Question 27. 400th subtract by 12 thousandth. It will be 0.04 subtract by 0.01 and 2. We must put 0 here to equal parts. and find the difference. It will be 10 and 3. 10 minus 2, it will be 8. 3 minus 1, it will be 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 28 here, thousandth. Question 27. The result will be, again, example 400th. Right here, 28 behind this word, thousandth, right? 28. Okay, thousandths, because this number will be 28 over 1000. Understood? Again, 400ths and 12 thousandths. This number we must put 0 here to equal parts. Question 28. The additive identity will be 0. Question 29. 7 thousandths or 5 thousandths plus 73 hundredths. It will be what we must equal parts. Right here 5, 37.10. It will be 735 thousandths. Right here 735. Question 30. The number of factors 18. How many factors of 18? We must count it. 18 times 1 and 3 times 6 equal 18 and 2 times 15 equals 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 factors. Question 31. The sum of 3 and 127 and 8.65, we must put 0. 0 plus 7 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Was question 31. Next question 32. The number whose prime factor is 2 and 2 and 3 and 3, it will be 4 times 9, 36. Question 33. 18 kilogram, it will be 18 thousandths. Question 34. The fourth number of the pattern, which starts with 4 and its result is 2n plus 3. We called it the fourth number, okay, with 4 and its rule 2n plus 3. 2n plus 3. We can write here the fourth number as a pattern with start with 4 here. Start with 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11. He won't find start with 4. He won't find the 4, start with 4, okay? But 5, 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 6, 2 times 6, 12. We have 4, 5, it's what? 6, 7, okay? 2 times 6, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 2 times 7, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. The result here will be 17. It's the fourth number of the pattern which starts with 4 of the rule. Next question 34, 35. In the equation 37 divided by 6 equals 6 and the remainder 1. Then the dividend here, it will be 37. 37 is the dividend. Question 36 is complete using the model area here. We have 54. We have here distributive properties. 58 times by 42. We have here 50 plus 8 times by 40 plus 2. Right, 50 times 40 and 50 times 2. Okay, 50 times 2, and then plus 40 times 40 here times what? Times 50. Okay, 50 times 40, it's right here, and 8 times 40. I will solve the example complete. We want to find the result here. Pay attention about this example. He write here 58 times 42 and write equal 40 times space plus 40 times 8 plus space times 50 plus 2 times space. Here 40 times 8 and 40 times 50 and 50 times 40. Okay, 50 times 40 and 2 times this number. Okay, then we have 50 or 40 times 50 or 40 times 8, and then 2 times 50 and 2 times 8. 2 times 8 here and 2 times 50. Okay, question 37. There are space gram in this number. Multiplication by 1000. Okay.